Hi there. Okay, so regarding the spend summary, yes, you are right. The formula was same as for the sales summary. So I've just changed it, and now it's putting the spends from column 2, and the sales will be from column 3. Yep, it's okay now. Yep, my bad. So sales summary and spend both are working fine. Regarding the um regarding this one, the dashboard for Torani, you can see in case if you want to type it by column, you can always change this column. So on Torani, we have packs on column C and flavors on column D. So I can choose it here. But the problem is not the I think someone has deleted the extra column in here. So it's not this is what I was suggesting, that please do not insert any column in between. So let me hide it. So there was an extra column. I think someone got deleted that, and everything got shifted on the left side. Still, if that's not the case, in still you can always change these three columns. So you don't need to change this because this is going to the Torani summary. This is the first entry available on the for the listing, which is the first sales, which is column I. So what I'm trying to clear here is that in case if you want to make a group based on type, you can select column C. Otherwise, you can select column D for the flavor, which is here, this middle column. So you just need to change this column. So if I'll make this D, you will see uh, the flavors and associated values will get pulled automatically. But obviously, you don't want the flavors, you want the packs. So let's select C, which is column C in this column, the type, and here we have the packs. So you can do this with these controls. If not needed, you can always hide this as well. So these are the two things. Thank you for your support, and thank you for your patience as well. Take care. Bye.